निधाय हृदि विश्वेशं विधाय गुरुवंदनं बालानां सुखबोधाय क्रियते तर्कसंग्रहः शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। हाउ मेनी द्रव्यज आर देयर? नवा द्रव्य। उसमें से विभू कौन से विच वंस आर विभू? आकाश, काल, दिक्। आत्मा मन इज परमाणु रूप, वो तो आया नहीं। आत्मा इज ऑल्सो विभू। आत्मा विभू है, लेकिन हमने आकाश, काल, दिक् तीन पढ़े। मूर्त द्रव्य, मूर्तम किम किम लक्षणम। मूर्त द्रव्य से लक्षणम किम? क्रियावर्त्वम मूर्तत्वम। जहाँ क्रिया होगी, वेयर देर इज क्रिया मीन्स सम चलनम, दैट इज मूर्त। व्हाट आर मूर्त द्रव्यस? पृथ्वी, अप, तेज, वायु, मन। पृथ्वी, अप, तेज, वायु, मन। व्हाट आर दे? मूर्त द्रव्य। मूर्त द्रव्य। महाभूत, भूतत्व विहाय मूर्तत्वम कुत्र अस्ति? मनसि। मनसि। मूर्तत्व विहाय भूतत्वम आकाशे। बस। मूर्तत्व विहाय भूतत्वम आकाशे। भूतत्व मूर्तत्व साधारण धर्म कुत्र अस्ति? मूर्तत्व भूतत्व साधारण धर्म, हाँ, कुत्र अस्ति? पृथ्वी अप तेज वायु। साधारण धर्म मीन्स what is here also and here also, in bhut also and murt also. Which are bhut also and murt also? Prithvi, up, teja, vayu. It is so simple. First I ask mana, then I ask akash. Then the next question is, what is common? For Sanskrit. Okay. आकाशस्य लक्षणं किम? शब्दगुणकम आकाशम। शब्दगुणकम आकाशम। शब्दगुणकम तस्य को अर्थः? शब्दगुणकम, इसका अर्थ क्या है? व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ द वर्ड शब्दगुणकम? शब्दो गुणो यस्य सः शब्दगुणकः। आकाशे विभु नित्यम्। कालः किम? कालः कः? कालस्य लक्षणं किम? विभुत्वे सति अतीतादि व्यवहार असाधारण निमित्त हेतु। यस्मिन अतीतादि, हाँ, अतीतादि व्यवहार हेतु इज देयर, देन इट इज असाधारण कारण. असाधारण कारण, वाई असाधारण वॉज एडेड? आकाशादौ अतिव्याप्ति वारणाय निमित्त. शब्दों गुणों यस्मिन ऑल्सो वी कैन निमित्त हेतु. सी आकाशे अतिव्याप्ति वारणाय निमित्त कारण. असाधारण, असाधारण इज ऑलवेज देयर. साधारण फॉर शब्द, आकाश इज समवायी कारण फॉर शब्द. So here we have to take निमित्त कारण. काल is अतीतादि व्यवहार निमित्त कारण and it is असाधारण कारण. साधारण कारण is what? ईश्वर है. ईश्वर. साधारण कारण there are others also, but here we have to take ईश्वर. काल is साधारण कारण for उत्पत्ति. पट उत्पत्ति if I have to do, काल is required. That is, काल is साधारण कारण for this. But for अतीत वर्तमान भविष्य व्यवहार काल is साधारण और असाधारण. असाधारण कारण. काल है एको वा बहुः. एकः काल एक. विभुः नित्यश्च. ओके. विभुत्वे सति विभुत्व विशेषणं कस्मात् देयं? कस्मात् कारण. वाई यू हैव टू गिव? कंठ तालवादी अभिघाते अतिव्याप्ति वारण है. कंठ तालवादी अभिघात, अभिघाते अतिव्याप्ति वारणाय विभुत्व विशेषणम देयम. नाउ यू सी पदकृत्य ऑफ दिक्. इयम प्राची, इयम अर्वाची, इयम प्रतीची, इयम उदीची इत्यादि व्यवहार असाधारणं कारणं दिक् इत्यर्थः. इयम प्राची. प्राची मीन्स ईस्ट, पूर्व. पूर्व यहाँ कहाँ है? दिखा, दिस साइड. यहाँ से सीधे सुबह आते हैं सूर्य कमर में. भगवान. अर्वाची. अर्वाची मतलब अर्वाची मतलब दक्षिण, साउथ. इसमें साउथ कहाँ है बताओ अभी? ये अभी हम जहाँ बैठे हैं ना, ये दक्षिणामूर्ति है. ये दक्षिणामूर्ति. इसलिए इसको बदल नहीं सकते. प्रतीची वेस्ट, तो उदीची नॉर्थ. तो उत्तरकाशी यहाँ है, ये बाजू ऊपर दिखता है. स्वामी जी वहाँ खड़े रहते हैं तो पता चल जाता. इत्यादि व्यवहार असाधारण कारण दिक् इत्यर्थ. हेतु दिक् इति उच्यमाने परमाणवादावति व्याप्ति ही स्यात्. If it is said only this one, हेतु दिक्, प्राच्यादि व्यवहार इज नॉट गिवन. हेतु दिक्, तो क्या होगा? परमाणादु में परमाणु आदौ अतिव्याप्ति. परमाणुवादाव अतिव्याप्ति. परमाणु में अतिव्याप्ति होगी. क्यों? वाई? परमाणु इज ऑल्सो हेतु, कारण. तो अतिव्याप्ति वारणाय प्राच्यादि व्यवहार है, आकाशादि वारणाय असाधारण, here it is given, आकाशादि वारणाय असाधारण and निमित्त कारण. Akashadi is not there. Nimitta you understand. What is given in the previous one, everything comes here. Atra hetu padena nimitta hetu ho vivakshitatva. It is there in the previous one or not? But it comes here also. Sacha eka vigvicha. Dik is one and infinite. Now Atma. Atmanah kim lakshanam katividhascha saha. What is the lakshana for Atma and how many types of Atma there? ज्ञानाधिकरणम आत्मा स्वद्विविधः सद्विविधः जीवात्मा परमात्मा चेति तत्रेश्वरः सर्वज्ञः परमात्मा एक एव जीवस्तु प्रतिशरीरं भिन्नो विभुर्नित्यश्च. ज्ञानाधिकरणम आत्मा. न्याय दर्शन अकॉर्डिंग टू देम, what is ज्ञान अधिकरण is आत्मा. Means there where ज्ञान stays. Like how common man will think. ज्ञान कहाँ है? Where is ज्ञान? Oh, in me. Who knows? I know. We don't say Antakaran knows. I am Atma. Antakaran knows this is Ghata, this is Pata. We say I know. So in Nyaya, common man's thinking is kept in mind. Nyaya darshan is also for you. If you ask, what is the goal of your life? Is to an Nayayika, dukkha nivritti. He also wants dukkha nivritti. You ask Mimamsaka, what is the goal of your life? Dukkha nivritti. Swarga means where there is no dukkha. So dukkha nivritti is also common. How to attain dukkha nivritti, that everybody thinks differently. What is your idea of moksha, वो सबका थोड़ा थोड़ा अलग है. ज्ञान अधिकरण आत्मा. When it is said ज्ञान अधिकरण means बुद्धि सुख दुख इच्छा. बुद्धि means ज्ञान. How many gunas are there after बुद्धि? 8. मतलब बुद्धि को मिलके 9. If you count बुद्धि, बुद्धि सुख दुख इच्छा द्वेष प्रयत्न धर्म अधर्म संस्कार 9. Their अधिकरण is आत्मा. So sukha is in atma, dukha is in atma, इच्छा द्वेष प्रयत्न आत्मा में. इच्छा means raga. They don't say raga. When dvesha is there, so you understand the one before that will be like adharma is there, so the one before dharma. Dharma adharma raga dvesha sukha dukha. ये तो 6 तो पैर हो गए. एक है ज्ञान, एक है प्रयत्न और एक संस्कार. 9. Easy way to remember. But you have to say in this order only. You don't go. If you start dvesha, prayatna, to gaya. You will never be able to remember which one you said and which one you have not said. ज्ञान अधिकरणम आत्मा. आत्मा इज ऑफ टू टाइप्स, द्विविधा. जीवात्मा, परमात्मा. जो जीवात्मा है, जस्ट लाइक हाउ एनी अदर दर्शन अंडरस्टैंड्स जीवात्मा, बट स्लाइट डिफरेंसेस विल बी देयर. जीवात्मा मीन्स कर्ता, भोक्ता, सुखी, दुखी इत्यादि. जीवात्मा. अल्पज्ञ. परमात्मा मीन्स ईश्वर. तत्र ईश्वर सर्वज्ञ परमात्मा. तो ईश्वर इज सर्वज्ञ, जीव इज अल्पज्ञ. ईश्वर इज नित्य ज्ञानवान. ईश्वर का ज्ञान कैसा है? हाउ इज हिज ज्ञानम? नित्य मीन्स ही डजंट हैव टू स्टडी and become jnani. Jiva has to study, then has to remember. Only study, not remembering. So that's why Ishvara is Nitya Jnanavan and Jiva is Anitya Jnanavan. Jiva is Nitya, but Jiva is Anitya Jnanavan. And Alpa Shakti, Sarva Shakti, you can add everything else. Tatra Ishvara Sarvagnya Paramatma Eka eva. Ishvara is only one. Jiva tu Prati Shariram Bhinna. Sharir doesn't mean only Manushya Sharira. Pashu, Pakshi, ऐसा everything. वनस्पतय है तो हिमालय में इतने पेड़ हैं. How many trees are there? Every tree will have one Jiva. स्थावरादि योनि प्राप्ति. तो भयंकर. If fire is coming, you can't run. You have to stand and get burned. You have to die. जीवस्तु प्रति शरीरम भिन्नो विभु. जीव इज विभु. विभु मीन्स व्यापक. सो माई आई एज ए जीव, आई एम इन योर बॉडी, देयर बॉडी, इन पशु, एवरी बॉडी. एक जीव इज इन ऑल बॉडीज. एंड ईश्वर इज ऑल्सो विभु. सो ईश्वर इज ऑल्सो एवरीवेयर. All jivas are in all bodies. जीवस्तु प्रति शरीरम भिन्नो विभु नित्यस्य. सांख्य. Like Atma in Vedanta is all pervading. Where Jiva is also Vibhu. Then you say, how I will experience only my Sukha Dukha, not somebody else's, because I am all pervading. If that person is also here, then Mana. So the Atma Mana Sanyoga will produce this Jnana. आत्मा मतलब जीवात्मा की ईश्वर नहीं. इसमें जीवात्मा नहीं है. इन दिस देयर इज नो जीवात्मा. इन दिस मीन्स इन दिस, नॉट इन दिस. इन दिस देयर इज नो जीवात्मा. ओके. सी टीका. ज्ञानाधिकरण इति भूतलादि वारणाय ज्ञान इति. इफ इट इज सेड अधिकरणम आत्मा, देन व्हाट इज अधिकरणम? अधिकरण मीन्स आश्रय. Bhutal is also adhikarana for Ghatadi. Bhutala is adhikarana for so many things. So, Bhutaladi Varanaya, there will be Ati Vyapti. So, therefore it is said Jnana Adhikarana. Jnana Adhikarana, Jnanam is only in Atma, not in anything else. Kaladi Varanaya समवायेन इति अपि देयम. कालादि वारणाय समवायेन इति अभिधेयम्. Jnanam stays in Atma with Samvaya Sambandha. You see, Atma is Jnana Adhikarana, Kala is also Jnana Adhikarana. Because Jnana happens in Kala. Jnana happens in Atma. Right? Jnana happens in time or not? Knowledge takes place in time. So, Jnana ka adhikarana is Kala also. So, to remove that Ativyapti, you have to understand Samvayena Jnanadhikaranam Atma. Atma Jnanasya Adhikaranam Samvayena. तो काल समवाय ज्ञान का अधिकरण काल इज नॉट थ्रू समवाय संबंध. ज्ञानम इज नॉट इन काल थ्रू समवाय संबंध. Jnanam is always in Atma means it is not outside of Atma. But if Mana Atma Sanyoga is not there, then Jnanam will not take place. Samjho you are sleeping. Okay? Mind is awake or not? Not awake. Atma is there. Somebody puts object in front of you. There is no knowledge. So they use Sushupti. Vedanta Sara, this is discussed. In Vedanta Sara, Prabhakara and Nyaya Vaisheshika, they say Atma is Jnana Adhikarana. You see in Vedanta Sara. And they always will use the example of Sushupti. Sushuptau Manah Abhava. In the absence of mind, what happens? You don't get any new knowledge. So their research is about Sushupti. From Jagrat Swapna, you cannot conclude that Jnana Adhikarana is Atma. In Sushupti you will know, because mind is absent. Jnana Adhikarana with for Kala. So Kala is present. Sanyoga Sambandha also you cannot say. But Samvaya if you say, everything else will be eliminated. Huh? No, so it is in Sushupti. Mind is not there. Okay? So, Jnanam is not taking place. Atma is there. Therefore, Atma is not Jnana Swarupa. This is what they conclude. In Sushupti, mind is not there. Atma is there. Jnanam is not there. Therefore, Atma is not Jnana. What will Vedanti say? Satyam Jnanam Anantam is Atma or Satchit Ananda. So their conclusion is Atma is Jada. Their conclusion is Atma is Jada. Only when Atma and Mana Sanyoga takes place, then Atma has Jnanam. If Mana is not there, Atma doesn't have Jnana. Like in Sushupti. So Sushupti, I am Jada. What is my Anubhava? I don't know anything. I did not know anything. Na kinchid avedisha. So, according to them, Atma is Jada. But instead of saying Jada, they say Jnana Adhikarana.
Only Ishvara is Chaitanya.
Ishvara is Jnana Swarupa irrespective of mind. Ishvara does not need mind for knowledge. So, but they don't use Chaitanya Shabda. So, we don't have to map it to Vedanta and then try to find. Otherwise, sometimes we will not find anything. Okay. ईश्वर इति समवाय संबंधेन नित्य ज्ञानवान ईश्वर है. ईश्वर इज नित्य ज्ञानवान समवाय संबंधे. जीव इति सुखादि समवायी कारणम जीव. जीव विल हैव सुख दुख एवरीथिंग. परमात्मा विल नॉट हैव. Remember, I had given one shloka earlier about how many gunas are there in each. वायोर्नवैकादश तेजसो गुणा जलक्षिति प्राणभृतां चतुर्दश दिक्कालयोः पंच षडेव चाम्बरे महेश्वरेष्टौ मनसस्तथैव च. Vayav, and now you have to remember some gunas, okay? See, what are the gunas? 24. Let me see who will tell. Shabda, Sparsha, Rupa, Rasa. 4. No, not Shabda. Rupa, Rasa, Gandha, Sparsha. 4. Rupa, Rasa, Gandha, Sparsha. Then 5. Sankhya, Parimana, Prithakva, Sanyoga, Vibhaga. These 5, Sankhya, Parimana, Prithakva, Sanyoga, Vibhaga, they are there in all dravyas. Okay. These 5 gunas are there in all dravyas. So Prithvi will also have Kala, Prithvi, Up, Teja, Vayu, Akasha, everything. Everybody will have these 5. These 5 are common. What are the common ones? Everybody? Sankhya, Sanyoga, Vibhaga. These 5 are in all. Okay. Jivatma has these 5 plus 9. What are the 9? Buddhi, Sukha, Dukha, Ichha, Dvesha, Prayatna, Dharma, Adharma, Sanskara. So 5 plus 9? 14. So Pranabhritam Chaturdasha in that shloka. Okay. This is our focus right now. And Maheshware Ashtav. In Maheshwara 8. So what are the 8?
The 5.
5 common are there. And then Jnanam, Buddhi, whatever you call. Then Sukha Dukha ne, Ichha Dvesha ne. और 2 चाहिए. बुद्धि सुख दुख इच्छा द्वेष प्रयत्न. इच्छा हो सकती है. आई थिंक इच्छा है. हाँ, Ishwar will not have a samskar also. It will come later in Guna Prakarana. We will see at that time. So you remember for Jiva at least, Jivatma. Next one, further you see. Now a question will be, what is the pramana in Ishvara for them? how do they say there is Ishvara? If you ask a Vedanti, what is the pramana for Ishvara? They will say Shruti pramana. Veda is pramana. What will these people say? No. Their main pramana is Anumana. They will do Anumana. Because they believe, they accept that Ishvara is only Nimitta Karana, not Upadana Karana. So their famous Anumanam is this. Kshityankuradikam Kartrajanyam Karyatvat Ghatadivat. Kshiti means earth, the whole earth, and Ankura means sprout. It is done by somebody. Karta is there. Kshityankuradikam Kartrajanyam. Why? Because it is Karya. Karyatvat. Ghatavat. Like Ghata. Ghata is Karya. And it is Kartrajanya. Kshityankuradikam Kartrajanyam. It is given in Virla Tika if you have. Huh? Yeah, no, Virla hai. You will find in there. Uttaram it is given. Na is answering, refuting Purvapaksha. Na, comma. Shityadi karyam kartrajanyam karyatva ghatavat. It is created. Because it is created, then you ask people, did you create Prithvi? Swamiji, did you create? You ask another one, did you create? Did you create? No. Everybody will say, I didn't do it. Like, if there is some problem in school, किसने किया? Who did? No, I didn't do it. I didn't do anything. मैंने कुछ नहीं किया. ये सब गड़बड़ किसने की? बोले मैंने कुछ नहीं किया. I have not done it. वो जो भी हो. शित्यांकुरादिकम कर्तृजन्यम कार्यत्वात् घटवत्. इसलिए अनुमान. ज्ञान, इच्छा एंड कृति. ईश्वर में there are three: jnana, ichha and kriti. Jnanam is there, ichha is also there, and kriti means prayatna, some effort. Okay. So jiva is also done. Atma is over. Next, manaha. Manasaha kim lakshanam katividham cha. मन का लक्षण क्या है? व्हाट इज द लक्षण फॉर मन? सुखाद्युपलब्धि साधनम इंद्रियम मनः. सुखाद्युपलब्धि साधनम इंद्रियम मनः. तच्च प्रत्यात्मनियतत्वात् अनंतम परमाणु रूपम नित्यंच. सुखादि उपलब्धि साधनम इंद्रियम. दे कॉल माइंड एज इंद्रिय, एंड दे से व्हाट इज द प्रमाण? मनःषष्ठानि इंद्रियाणि. भगवद गीता दे विल कोट. एंड इंद्रियम in 13th chapter also in Gita, महाभूतान्यहंकारः बुद्धिरव्यक्तमेव च इंद्रियाणि दशैकं च. क्षेत्र is defined as इंद्रियाणि दश एकम च. The इंद्रियाणि दशैकम च. The eka is also दश. eka means एकादश. Mind is included according to them in Indriya. Sukhadi upalabdhi sadhana. Sukha, dukha ityadi is available through mind only. Why? Mana sat अन्वय व्यतिरेक मन सत्वे सुखादि उपलब्धि मन मनसा अभावे सुखादि उपलब्धि अभाव यथा सुषुप्त अन्वय व्यतिरेक. So like that we also say when mind is world is, when mind is not world is not. Bas. So then
What is the difference between Atma and
Atma is jnana adhikarana.
not Jnana, Sukha as far as Sukha is concerned? Sukha Dukkha is concerned.
So sukha adhikarana is Atma.
And this
Mana is upalabdhi sadhana. Upalabdhi sadhanam and adhikaranam means chawal, rice is there. Okay? Let's say it is in some container. From there you want to put it in this main container, let us say. So you will have one sadhana and then you will put here. So this sadhanam is manaha. This karana, adhikarana, one is adhikarana. See, this is the difference. One is adhikarana, another is karana. Mind is karana. Atma is,
Adhikaran.
so Atma is saptami. Mana is tritiya. Sukhadi upalabdhi sadhanam indriya. Mana. तच्च प्रति आत्म नियतत्वात्. Prati Atma. Every Atma will have one mind. Means every Jivatma has one mind. We also say every mind is different. It is Anantam, infinite, and Paramanu Rupam. This sometimes is difficult to understand. It is infinite but not Vibhu, Paramanu Rupam. And Nityam cha. So it is always there, mind is always there, and it is small, Paramanu, but it is Anantam. Anantam means infinite in number, not in size. Size is small, number is as many as Jivatma. Anantaha, how do you say if it is Pullinga? So here Anantam, mind is Anantam.
Swamiji, then there is Desha Parichinna as well as Vibhu.
No, it is not Vibhu, it is Paramanu Rupam.
Paramanu is Vibhu.
Paramanu is Paramanu, Paramanu is not Vibhu. Paramanu is the size, Parimana is little. So mind is small, but Ananta means infinite in number, not infinite in size. Tika, Sukha iti, Atma mana sanyogadi varanaya indriyam iti. Atma mana sanyoga. Sukhadi upalabdhi sadhanam is Atma, is Manaha, is Atma Mana Sanyoga. Three things. Sukhadi upalabdhi sadhanam, Atma is also required, mind is also required, Sanyoga is also required. Okay? Of the three, Indriya is only mind. Atma is also not Indriya, Sanyoga is also not Indriya. So Atma Mana Sanyogadi Varanaya Indriyamiti. Chakshuradi Varanaya Sukha iti. Upalabdhi sadhanam indriyam. Then Chakshuradi are also Upalabdhi sadhanam. Rupa Upalabdhi sadhanam. Sparsha Upalabdhi sadhanam. Tvagindriyam ityadi. So to remove that Ativyapti Chakshuradi Varanaya Sukha iti. Sukhadi Upalabdhi sadhanam indriyam mana. Now Guna Prakara.
Paramanu is not the basic for all substances. It's not like that. It's not the basic
For 4.
only for those four constitute.
No, Akash is different. Kala, Dik, Atma, Mana. They are not Paramanu. मतलब मन के परमाणु नहीं है. मन इटसेल्फ इज परमाणु. जल है परमाणु. जल परमाणु इति, वायु परमाणु इति, तेज परमाणु इति, पृथ्वी परमाणु इति. दैट्स ऑल. So next one is Guna Lakshana Prakaranam, which we will see from tomorrow. So here, see, we have completed Uddesha, Lakshana and Pariksha of Dravya. Everything about Dravya is over. And you also now understood what is Ativyapti, Avyapti, Asambhava Dosha. You also know what is Nitya. What is Nitya? Dvansa Pratyogi. What is Pratyogi? Yasya Abhava Sapratyogi. But Pratyogi Shabda means Pratikulena Yogaha. So Ghata Abhava is there. Ghata and Ghata Abhava has Pratikula Yoga. Ghata will come, Ghata Abhava will go. Of the 4 abhavas, which one is Nitya? Nitya bhavaha ke Atyanta bhava and Anyonya bhava. You have to remember these things. Atyanta bhava, Anyonya bhava are Nitya. Prag bhava, which one is Anadi? Prag bhava is Anadi. Which one is Ananta? Pradvansa bhava. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutrabhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punaha Punaha Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Veda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.